and it is time for your outdoor body power leg workout. That's right, 10 minutes nonstop of legs. What's up, everybody? Tommy Cassano, founder of OutdoorBody here at Glacier National Park. We're on Lake McDonald. It's a beautiful summer evening. The wind's blowing, the lake is howling. We got a different exercise every minute. In the last 10 seconds of that minute, we are gonna do squat jumps. That's right, so 50 seconds of an exercise, 10 seconds of a squat jump, 10 minutes non-stop. Remember, mobility before, stretching after. Now, I'm in some sand, rocks, so when I squat jump, it probably won't look like I'm going too high, but just know the resistance is there. So I want you going full tilt, 110%. Let's get it. We're starting off with just simple old squats. So squats for 50 seconds. 10 in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Down, straight up. All the way down, try and go below 90. Remember, core tight. Lake McDonald, welcome. It is over 10 miles long. It is the longest lake in Glacier National Park. Deemed the crown of the continent, Glacier. All my workouts are in lakes carved out by deep glaciers. So this one is Lake McDonald. Welcome. Let's go. Come on. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Squat jumps, 10 seconds. Let's go. Up. Let's get it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands behind the head. We are going to lunge. Let's go. Straight down, straight up. Open up that chest. Squeeze that core tight. Oh yeah. We getting it in. Never been to Glacier. Gotta come visit. So much to do here. The hikes are amazing. It is in northern Montana. First international shared national park with Waterton, which is in Canada. Let's go. Working hard. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Squat jumps, come on. Down and up. Let's get it. 2, 1. Sumo squat. Tap, straight up. Tap. Once you go down as far as possible, tapping the ground. You can open up your arms if you want. Squeezing the glutes, squeezing the booty. Come on. Let's go. We getting it. Going to the Sun Road, which leads up through that pass. It's absolutely the best road I've ever been on. One of them, at least. Goes through Logan's Pass, up through Glacier. We're on actually West Glacier. 5 seconds. That goes to the east. 3, 2, 1. Squat jumps. Let's go. Working hard. 3, 2, 1. Curtsies. Coming down. Going deep. Remember, don't worry about the quantity, more on the quality and the form of the exercises. Sun's starting to fade a little bit, but the sunrises and the sunsets are just beautiful here. Let's go. We got this all day. Get it right, get it tight. Come on. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Squat jumps. 3, 2, 1. We have our skinny squats or chair squats down, straight up, down. This one, put your arms out. It'll open up your hips, down, straight up. This one, definitely try and go below parallel. Keep your thighs super tight together. Woo, it is just beautiful out. Love it. 20 seconds, let's go. Ten seconds. Squat jumps. Here we go. Sitting low. You know I love these ones. If you've done some of my booty workouts, out and in. So wide sumo to those skinny squats. This one is a burner. You should be feeling it. Don't expect you to be parallel the whole time. You just want that burn in your thighs, in your glutes. Let's go. Oh yeah. 20 seconds. Oh, is it over yet? Let's go. You got this. 10 seconds. Breathing. 3, 2, 1. Squat jumps. Woo. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're going right side, pumping out. Pump out. 50 seconds, non-stop, just on the right. Up. Let's go. Pumping. Remember, squeeze, flex your glute. Get your booty lip popping. Come on. Whew, 20 seconds. Call this workout Booty Power. Just renamed it. Just feeling powerful right now. 2, 1. Squat jumps. Come on now, let's go. Work hard. Outdoor body time. 3, 2, 1. Left side. Come on. Up. Up. Just me, you, and the crown of the continent, Glacier National Park, in all of her beauty. Saw some bears today, some mountain goat. The wildlife is incredible here. Squeezing, flexing those glutes the whole time. 15 seconds, stay with me. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have our squat jumps. Let's go. 2, 1. We got reverse lunges now. So tap, if you can, hit the ground. Once you're going down all the way, reversing. You should feel it in that glute that is stagnant right here. Boom. Let's go. Woo. Come on. Almost there. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Squat jumps, let's go. You know what we're doing next. We're doing a squat hold. 2, 1. Shoulder width apart, just slightly past. I want you to go 90, arms straight out. Look at that. 90 degrees, belly button to spine, core tight. Let's go deep. Come on. Glacier shining for us right now. Let's not disappoint her. Lake McDonald. Perfect. Making some beautiful waves for us. 20 seconds. Let's get it. Come on. Woo! Oh, come on now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Squat jumps. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that's what I'm talking about right there. Remember, mobility before stretching after. I highly recommend you do it 2 times, maybe even 3 times right in a row. Anytime, any place, anywhere. Booty, body weight workouts. Thank you for joining me in the crown of the continent, Glacier. Ooh, watch us beeping. Glacier National Park up in northern Montana. You have to come visit if you have never been. Thank you once again. I'll see y'all next time for the outdoor body workout. Let's get it. Let's go wild.